Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is a very quick and easy tutorial on, so guys, today's video is all about try on TTDEYE contact wear. So guys, I am going to be trying four different colors from TTDEYE-WEAR. So guys, stay tuned and let's do this together. Keep watching. So guys, this is the Naomi blue. It looks so gorgeous, then they are so comfortable on my eyes as well. So guys, if you need some of those contact lenses, just go to their website over here. So this is the website. Go and make your choice. Go and choose the best color contact lens for your eyes, and they are super affordable. So go and check them out right now. Go and check them out. So guys, I will be showing the rest of the contact lens, so just stay tuned and watch this video from the beginning to the end. This polar light blue gray is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you all on my next video. Bye bye.